Hi friends, my name is Yash and welcome to my YouTube channel. So our today's video topic is how we create our first EC2 instance or our server or our Linux machine. Okay, so we just go in our AWS account. So I will log in into my AWS account. If you doesn't have any account AWS account, so click here to create account. But I have my account AWS account, so I will log in here. So this is the main page of our AWS. So I will click here EC2. You if you doesn't showing here EC2, so you will search here EC2. Okay, so it will showing here. So I will click here. We have this launch instance button. Okay, to create or launch our EC2, so I will click here. It asking our server name or machine name, so I will give name like Linux machine. Okay, second we want to choose our AMI. Okay, Amazon machine image. So we have many image like Amazon Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, Sushi Linux, Red Hat, and Debian. Okay, so I will select our free tier eligible AMI like this Amazon Linux 2 AMI kernel 5.10. I will click here and we want to select our instance type. I select T2 micro because it is a free tier. Okay, so I will click here. You can also choose like T2 nano, T2 small, T2 medium. Okay, but I select this T2 micro and we want to select our key pair to login. Okay, so key pair is important because without key pair we can't access our Linux machine or server. So we want to select our key pair. So I have two key pair, but I will create a new key pair. So I click here and I will give name of my key pair is Yash1. Okay, you want to select this RNA, sorry RSA, and make it .pem, not ppk. Okay, create a pem format. Okay, and click here. It will download this. So I show you as that well. So this is my key pair. So okay, and we doesn't want to focus here in network settings to just create our Linux machine. It is some advanced settings. Okay, but we want to just create a new Linux machine, so we doesn't focus here. So and we get 8 GB of storage in our machine. Okay, so I will just click here, launch instance. So it will create our EC2 instance or Linux machine. So click here instance. This is terminated and this is our main main EC2. So it is in pending state. Okay, so I will click here in the refresh button, so it will showing running. Okay, so but main problem is how we access our Linux machine. We have two ways. Okay, we can connect this Linux machine in two ways, like we can access through our terminal, or we can access through our browser. Okay, so I will show you that way. So select this EC2 instance and click here. Okay, so we want to just access our EC2 instance through browser. So I will click here EC2 instance connect and click connect. Okay, so it will open our EC2. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is our Linux machine. So I will create one file like Yash. Okay, mkdir Yash. Okay, that way showing. Okay, but I want to access our Linux machine through terminal. Okay, using terminal. So how we can access that? So select this and click connect and go SSH client. Okay, click here in SSH client. So and copy this command. Okay, I will copy this command and I want to change my directory, my my key pair in my download section. So I will write cd download. Okay, download and copy this command and paste here and copy this second command, not this command but this example command. Okay, so I click here and paste it here. So it will asking me, are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes, I want to connect. So I will write yes and this is connected. Okay, so I make yes directory in our browser. So I will check this here. So yeah, it will showing our directory as well. Okay, so like this way we can access our EC2 instance through our terminal as well. Okay, so that was it in today's video. If you like this video to and you will like this video and you can also subscribe to my channel and like this video and share with your friends, your college friends, and thanks for watching. I will see you in next video. Okay.